yung nakita ko na na post is actually the ICC Office of the Prosecutor. So hindi mismo yung korte, but the Office of the Prosecutor, who for which office until now, after more than 2 years na i-file yung kaso, are still looking for witnesses. Yun ang nakapagtataka. Kasi nakapagtataka sa akin na abogado dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi hindi ganun yung prosesong legal at judicial process dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi pag example man lang, kung merong isang krimen na nangyari, meron yung tinatawag na case build-up. The law enforcement will come in, they will investigate the case, and then if they find that there is that the incident or the crime was actually committed, and they will be able to pinpoint the probable perpetrators, then they will bring the perpetrators to the prosecutor's office. Magsasampa sila ng kaso. And eventually, if they find probable cause, may kaso may file sa korte. Ibig sabihin, yung may file sa korte na kaso against yung taong pinailan na kaso, yung kaso niya would only be based on what was already built up by the police and by the prosecutor. Kasi yung sa trabaho ng police, factual. Ibig sabihin, maghahanap sila ng ebidensya. Ang trabaho ng prosecutor, they will appreciate yung facts, yung evidence, if it can withstand the case that they will file. Okay? Now, that being the case, once that is filed, yun na yung mga ebidensya na gagamitin ng prosecutor to advance and prosecute the accused. Dito, sa ICC, iba. Nag-file sila ng kaso based on yung Office of the Prosecutor, nag-file ng kaso sa ICC, ibig sabihin sa korte, based on some allegations. Allegations of extrajudicial, so-called extrajudicial killing during the time when he was mayor and then later on was president. Na-file yan. And in fact, according to them, may warrant of arrest. And that's the reason why that was the basis of, although wrongly implemented, that was the basis of General Torre and his team to arrest and bring the former president to the Hague. Kung ganun man na meron na silang kaso, kung ano man yung ebidensya nila na na-file na sa korte, yun na yung gagamitin nila.
Tama.
Sa korte. Kaya itong mga post na ito, nakapagtataka. In fact, I saw an earlier post last month na meron sila mga tinatawag na application to be witnesses. Kaya napakamot ako sa ulo. Sabi ko, wala papalit silang testigo o kung meron man, kulang na kulang. Napaisip ako doon sa 30,000 killings na sinabi ng Rappler. Saan ba yun?